because drawing realistic animal portraits has really changed my life. I've been thinking about all the beauty and positive impact art has on our lives. I will tell you 10 ways how drawing animal portraits can impact your life. Tell me then in the comments which points apply to you. So first, personal enjoyment. Drawing animal portraits can be a fun and fulfilling hobby that brings you personal enjoyment and satisfaction. When I think of me, drawing animal portraits really is so fun and it brings me so much joy. I can create my own portraits. It's so fascinating when this animal starts to life on the paper, when you bring the animal to life on your drawing surface with your own hands, and you can be so proud what you can create by yourself. So it definitely helps to make your day better and more fun and brings you more joy. And then improves focus and concentration. So that's definitely true. Drawing animal portraits requires a great deal of focus and concentration as you work on capturing the details of the animal's features and fur. You'll find yourself entering a state of flow that can improve your focus and concentration both during and outside of your drawing practice. Some of my students told me they are in another world when they are drawing, or they drive into a tunnel, so they really dive into another world and you are so focused on the drawing process and so concentrated on doing the right things, and you really use this drawing time to focus your mind on all these artistic things. And this really helps to develop a better focus on things. Then drawing animals can have an impact on your mental health. It reduces stress and anxiety. Drawing can be a form of meditation that can help reduce stress and also fear and anxiety. Focusing on the lines and details of the animal portrait can provide a sense of calm and relaxation, which can be very beneficial for your mental health. So a lot of my clients told me that they find my drawing lessons really meditative. They like my voice when I'm speaking, all the steps again and again. They listen to the drawing lessons and draw and just calm down after a busy day. Or sometimes drawing can also be addictive, and yes, you can use it for meditate, and you can also listen to music while you are drawing, or to a podcast you like to hear, and just use the process of drawing lines by lines and strokes by strokes and building up the layers for calming down, to find time for yourself, to do something for your own, to have me time, what's so important in these times now. And it can also be therapy. So drawing animal portraits can be a form of therapy, helping to express yourself and work through difficult emotions when you had made bad experiences, or all difficult stages of your life. And I have heard from many people that they have used art and the drawing process and diving into this meditative world also for healing and for as a sort of therapy, and to overcome some bad memories, or you have lost a pet you loved and then you create a memorial portrait of him or her. So this can be really helpful. And personal growth is also such a way. Drawing animal portraits can be a way to challenge yourself and push your creative boundaries. leading to personal growth and development. So if you are drawing and practicing a lot, then you definitely will grow in person and in your as an artist, and you will learn new skills, and you will see that you can do that you are able to draw a realistic animal portrait. So you will definitely grow when you are drawing in person, and it boosts creativity. Drawing animal portraits is a great way to exercise your creativity. As you work on each portrait, you'll be constantly making decisions about composition or color or texture, which can help expand your creative thinking skills. So when you are then further along on your animal art journey or on your art journey in general, then you will draw your own compositions. You will choose backgrounds. You will have a look how your portrait matches to the background, or you create different animals on one picture and make compositions. So you will definitely increase your creativity, and you will increase your self-confidence. Seeing your skills improve as you create more animal portraits can be very empowering. Each finished piece can give you a sense of accomplishment and increase your self-confidence as an artist. So I can say that for myself, I was always a very shy person, but drawing and being creative and draw realistic animal portraits helped me a lot to increase my self-confidence. And this is really empowering, because you will see what you can do by yourself and what you are able to do. And perhaps you are thinking at the beginning, if you can do that, why should I be able to draw such beautiful animal portraits? Only others can do that. But you will develop a very good self-confidence over time, and you will become more confident, and you will see what you can achieve. You just have to start. And the other thing is you can create gifts. So gifts or self-made decoration. When you draw your own animal portraits, you can make very unique and personalized gifts for friends and family members who loves animals or who have lost their beloved pets. You can create special memorable pieces of art that they can treasure for a lifetime. So you will create memorials that your customers or friends or clients have for a lifetime, and they are very special. They are different to a photo. Yes, and then also, of course, purpose. It provides a sense of purpose. Creating animal portraits can be a meaningful way to give back at the world. You can use your art to raise awareness about endangering species, promote animal welfare, or simply share the beauty of the natural world with others. So share the beauty of animals with others. Make other people happy with your art. Create beautiful gifts for friends and family and yourself, as I've mentioned before. That's also very purposeful. And the last point, of course, if you decide to start an art business or to make a side income, you can make money with your art. You can earn a nice side money, or really start selling your portraits, doing commissions, and make a living from your art. So please share in the comments what relates most to you. What are your experiences with drawing animal portraits? And here you have seen the drawing process of fur of the face of this German Shepherd dog portrait. I've drawn this with pastel pencils, and I teach the whole drawing process in my 8-week drawing course. This will come soon. You see more infos below in the link, and I also invite you to join my free drawing workshop beginning of May. You can register for free below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Have a great time. Bye.